If you feel that you'd like to improve your walking balance, posture and gait, then keep watching and I'll show you a simple Alexander technique approach that will increase your body awareness and help you to break any bad habits that you may have developed with your walking. I'm Pete Robinson from movementandposture.com. I teach Alexander technique to individuals, groups and organisations, both online and in the real world. Each Sunday I upload a new video based on questions that I've been asked, so if you're interested in finding out more, subscribe and ding the notification bell. It's really common for people to be out of balance when they walk. There are quite a few different ways that you can be out of balance though, including having your hips forwards, having your head forwards, your back curving forwards, your hips swinging outwards with each step, or your body slumping down into each step. You may notice one or more of these patterns in yourself, and if you look around you on the street, you'll be able to spot these and plenty of other issues in the way that people are walking. If you've watched any of the other videos on this channel, you'll know that I consider balance to be one of the most important things. If we're imbalanced, then we have the best chance to rid ourselves of unnecessary tension and then experience movements that are better coordinated and more comfortable. So, let's explore our balance. The coordination in our body that we're trying to restore is that when the leg joints are free, we can move our head and body without losing balance. Here's an example. If I move my head and body from side to side, I'm keeping my ankle and hip joints free so that my body stays upright, rather than being tilted and losing balance. Have a try. It's really useful to place your hands on yourself when you do this, as it gives you more feedback. While you make the movement, decide to leave your head freely balanced on top of your spine and don't stiffen up in the body. The movement should feel free and smooth. As you move from side to side, let all your weight release down through the supporting leg so that you can stay tall and poised. If you manage that okay, let's now try moving forwards and backwards. Starting from a good standing balance, place one foot a short distance in front with the heel down and the toes up. Keep to the decision to remain in balance, not to stiffen up in the body or legs, and to let your weight release down into the ground. Now, slowly take your head and body forwards in one piece up over the front leg, letting the back heel peel off the ground. Again, the movement should feel free and smooth, and at no point do you lose balance or stiffen up. Now try to move forwards and backwards, keeping this idea of the whole head, neck and body moving in one piece. Really pay attention to yourself to make sure that the habits don't sneak back in. Keep working on this movement until you're confident that you are maintaining balance and freedom and body awareness. Remember to keep smiling and don't take it too seriously, as that will really help you to avoid tension. If you manage that, you could probably guess that the final step is to continue this balanced gliding motion forwards into walking. At first, I'd advise trying a few steps, then stop and start again, as you're trying to prevent your old habits of walking from kicking in. After a bit of practice, you should be able to keep this new motion going, and you'll be establishing this as your normal way of walking. It's a really simple approach, but works to correct any of the walking problems that I mentioned at the start of the video. The key point is that you choose not to walk in your old habitual way and stick to this simple decision to be in balance. It might feel a bit strange at first, but in the end, it should make your walking much more comfortable and less tiring. As always, I recommend getting some lessons with a qualified Alexander technique teacher if you get the chance to, as that will make this process much easier. I hope that helps. working in this way really improved my walking gait and comfort. If you have any questions or comments, then drop me a line below. Have a watch of some of the other videos on the channel and let me know if there are any other topics you'd like me to cover in future videos. Hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.